Good evening, everyone. So, I think everyone has installed the Android Studio. Am I audible?
Yes, Master
Yes, yes.
Rishabh.
Thank you. So, the task which I was talking in the comment section is that there is two programming section. One is new to programming, and one is prior programming session. Those who attended the my last session, those know that the task is this. But those who don't know, I am telling for them. So in new programming track, there are two units. One is unit one and one is unit two. There are total six batches in new to programming track, and you have to just go through these labs. There are some quizzes, like wait, I'm showing. You can learn from these videos and code labs, and then you have to take this quiz, and you have to score, and then you will earn a e-batch, and then you have to collect all the six batches from new to programming track, and then you have to go to the prior programming experience, and you have to collect all 10 batches here. And oh, wait, sorry, I don't present. Wait, just wait. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. Yeah, my screen is showing maybe here. So you have to go to this site, and here is a new to programming track, and here is a prior programming experience track. And in new to programming track, there are six batches. You have to uh, collect them all by attempting the quiz. And here is the quiz. In every pathway, you have to complete it all. You can learn from these videos and code labs, and then you have to take this quiz and earn the e-batch. From unit 1 you will earn 4 batches, and unit 2 you will earn 2 batches. And after you have completed this new to programming track, you have to go to the prior programming experience track, and you have to click on start course. And here is 10 batches. You have to collect them all, and then just you have to make a Google developer profile here. Okay. uh, you have to make your Google developer profile. Oh, sorry, I already opened it. And you will earn these badges. You have to collect total 22 badges at all. Okay, then you will earn a certificate from Android Study Jams. The deadline is 25th of January. You have to did this all the batches, collect all the batches before 25th of January. So then just you have to take a screenshot. I will give you a form, and you have to fill it up. You can screenshot this, like just minimize it, and all the batches will come in one section like this. Sorry, like this. And then you have to screenshot it with your profile, like here is my profile, and these are the batches. You have to just screenshot it like this and put it in the Google form which I will give you. This is the whole task. Okay, I explained it in my last session. So now we'll move on. I think everyone understand this. Anyone has any doubt in the task? So if you
No,
have it,
Master. No doubts. So the link to this course site is we saw it.
I am sharing with, I'm sharing in the chat section. This is the course, and you can make your Google developer profile from here. So just click on these links, and don't forget to sign in first. Okay, if you don't sign in, you cannot earn these badges. Or if you have done the quizzes, your record will not be collected. Okay, so make sure you have signed in first. So okay, let's start with the PPT. Okay, this is Android Study Jam session 2. So what we need for this session, we need Android Studio installed in your machine, a computer and headphone, a good internet connection, and Android device and USB cable if you don't have any high-end laptop or PC. So, so I told you about Gradle stuff which was annoying me at the last of my session. So what is Gradle? The Gradle is a build system which is responsible for the code compilation and testing, development and conversion of code into DEX files, hence running the app on the device. Okay, so if you cannot complete the Gradle build process, you cannot make an app. I will show the hands-on later. So what is Android manifest? Android manifest.xml. I have shown you that there is an Android manifest section in the Android Studio. And what is that? The Android manifest file contains information of your package, including components of the application, such activities, services, broadcast receiver, content providers, etc. It is responsible to protect the application to the access any protected parts provided by providing the permission. So in the manifest section, we give the users permission, like if you need internet permissions or the app icons, etc. So then what is activity in Android? So an activity represents a single screen with user interface, just like window or frame of Java. Android activity is the subclass of context them wrapper class. Okay, there are so many classes and widget in Android. So this is an activity which represent a screen where you have to make the layouts and views, etc. So what is intent in Android? An Android intent is the message that passed between components such as activities, content providers, broadcast receivers, service, etc. It is generally used start activity method to invoke activity, broadcast receiver, etc. So the intent will need this for changing the activity from a layout to another layout. That's why we need this intent. We'll show all this hands-on method later on. So what are the uses of intent? An intent used to perform an action on the screen. It is mostly used to start activity, send broadcast receiver, and start service and send message between two activities. There are two types of intent available in Android: implicit intent and explicit intent. So what are implicit intents? An implicit intent does not name a specific component, but instead declares a general action to perform, which allows a component from another app to handle it. So this intent handle that if we need something from the first activity to second activity, it gives the content to the another activity, so that we can work with the activity which is in the first layout. And what is explicit intent? Explicit intent explicitly specifies the name of the component to be invoked by activity, and we use explicit intent to start an component in your own app, in our own app. And what is the view group, which I was talking that Android Studio has view groups. So what is view group? A view group is special view that contain other views called children, like parent class and children class. Here is the view is the children of view group. The view group is base class for layouts and other view containers. Like there are so many views, text view, button views, etc. So what is view in Android? The view class is superclass of all GUI component, graphical components in Android. For instance, the text view class, which is used to display text levels in Android apps, is a subclass of view. So view is the class, and text view and button views are the subclass of this view. What are the commonly used view subclasses? Android contains the following commonly used subclasses like text view, edit text, image view, progress bar, button, image button, checkbox, date picker. We will show everything later on when we start hands-on methods. And what are the commonly used view group subclasses? Most commonly used view group subclasses are linear layout, relative layout, list view, and grid view. What is a layout in Android? In Android, the term layout refers to defining how the view components are displayed on the screen relative to each other. A layout is typically defined partly by view and partly by view groups, which contains the view. So every app has its own layout. Like we have the buttons and the the relative layouts. Like some buttons can we can move some buttons and some buttons are fixed. So everything in it in the layout. So it is the part of view and view group. What is a bundle in Android? Android bundle is used to pass data between activities. The value that are to be passed are mapped to string keys, which are later used the next activity to retrieve the value. So if we want some text like your name to be shown in the next page, next activity, then we need that thing. So okay, and what is ANR in Android? The UI thread of Android apps is blocked for too long. Application not responding, in short ANR, error is triggered. If the app is not in foreground, the system displays a dialog to the user. The ANR dialog gives the user opportunity to force quit the app. Sometimes our machine got hanged and we need to stop it, which we did the force stop method. That's why this is the ANR system in Android, by which we can force stop any app if our mobile or Android device got hanged. What is broadcast receiver? A broadcast receiver is an receiver which is an Android component which allow you to register for system or application events or register event receiver for an event are notified by the Android runtime once the event happens. So broadcast receiver did the work like if you the calendar if you we all of us use the Google Calendar, and when the event happened is send a message to every one who has registered for this event. So broadcast receiver just do this stuff. Okay. What is different between intent and bundle in Android? An intent provides a facility for performing late runtime binding between the code and the different application. Going to the bundle, as you mentioned, yeah, it is a carrier for data from intent to another and is map of the key value variables. This is the difference. So now we should go to the hands-on method on Android. Let's go. So here is my Android Studio. So the very last session, I got a problem in my Gradle and I need to fix it. As I updated my version, so there are some bugs which are uh, disturbing me for completing the Gradle, and it was fixed after 3 days, and now my machine is running properly. There is an update 4.2.2 beta version. I did not update it till now. I think all of you already installed Android Studio. Is there anyone who did not install Android Studio or facing any problem in installing it? If you have, you can tell me. Okay, so I think everyone have installed the Android Studio in their machine. So this is the manifest section in the so PPT. I was talking this Android manifest.xml file. So this is the Android manifest.xml file. We can see here we can give the permissions here, and there is some application details like Android icon, which is shown like in Android apps. So we can see the logo of Google Chrome. So this is the icon of the app. So if you are making a Google Chrome, then you have to add the picture here. Okay, and this is the main activity part where we call the functions and do all the functionality of the layout. and it is this is the activity main.xml. Here we can code and design layouts. Okay, so okay, this is the split screen version. If you want to like show the output, what is the output of your code, and how is designed, so then you can enter this split part. And if you want to just code, and then you can just click on the code section. You can see the text view is here, one of the text view. Like this is the text of hello world. You can see here the hello world is written here. And if you just want to design by not doing code, then just you can do from here. Okay, this is the Gradle section. uh, you can see the Gradle version, Kotlin version, dependencies, and in the module you can see all the dependencies, build types, and every details. Okay, if you need to connect some dependencies, just put it here and sync. After you put something, then here is a sync option, and you can just sync it on, and the dependencies and the implementation will be synced with your app, and you can make it easily. So let's add a text view here. Okay, let's remove it. Oh, sorry, I just okay. So let's add a text view here. Okay, so we are adding a text view. Make it large. It's your life. Make it large, and let's constrain the size, because every device has its own size, and we cannot say that if we are doing this. Okay, okay. So you have to constant the all sides, because we don't know what is the size of your device. If you just leave it, like leave okay, just leave the text view in the middle of this device, like this is the size of the device, and I am making this app here, and don't constant it. Then if we get a big device, and this will just roam around like here and here as per the device size. So if we need to fix it, then just we need to constant it first. Just pull, drag and drop this. Sorry, do this stuff, and just make some in big size. And just if we need to change these things, just split it. And here the Android text is text view. Just remove. And what can we do? Android study jam. Okay, just we write the Android study jam. So here is the okay, you can't see, so I just give a text size bigger, and you can see when I type size, it showing me some probable recommendations like text size and others thing. This is the library function which we can use for which make the programmer happy, like he can choose from there. He don't need to type all the functions. Okay, so if I increase the size, we can see it more better.
বলছি টেক্সটের ফন্টটা চেঞ্জ করব কি করে?
I am telling, wait. P, okay, 30 dp, and just this. You can make this alignment, center, text alignment, center. Okay. This is the center, and if you want to change the color, so you have to type color, Android text color, and you have to give something like hash and color code 000. zero. Okay, this is the color code of black, and then you can choose like you can want to give red. From here you can see a dot here, and you just click on it and choose any color. Like you can give it yellow, red, everything. Okay, so when it's designing, here is an attribute section. So you can do everything, whatever you want. Everything is here. Okay, so you can max text size. You can change everything, fonts, everything you can change from here, and every option is here. Okay, like if you can give a hint to the text when you are doing some like you can see in the forms, many forms, that in name section there is a fill in the blanks, and there is a suggestion in lighter text that type your name here. Yeah, then you need to just put a hint on hint here. Hint, just put a hint here, and that will show. Okay, I will show that also. Just you can give here, everything is here, text style, text size. Yeah, everything is here. Okay, here is the text style, you can change it. It is default to normal, and you can just cursor drawable, text color, everything you can change from here. Okay, I'm just minimizing it, and then okay, just import a button. Drag the button from there and put it here. We can draw a button here, and let's constant it. Sorry. Okay, this is the button. You can see this is the button, and so you can change the colors and everything. Wait, what is the color of the background? What is this happening? What is this? It never happens before. Maybe it's something in new version. Uh, okay, let me check. What is happening? Why the color is not changing? Okay, something. Okay, this is okay, but why the background color is not changing? Okay, why this color automatically generated? It never happens before. Okay, we'll see this later, but now we just change the name to start and change its color. We'll change this to green. It's not shown perfectly. Yellow, leave. We make it black. And okay, we constant this, and if we want to import some image, then just click it here. Import image. Some we need to just import some image. Then we just need to some copy some images. Let's copy this and put in this in resource drawable section. Just paste here and select drawable v24 and select OK, and just make a name android.jpg. Okay, we can see there is android.jpg, and when we import the image view, so here is the android.jpg, and click on OK, then just resize it because the picture is more bigger than this. Okay, and just constant this. Okay, so the we can see the image is fixed here, and if we run this thing, just it will. Okay, let's see what the Android app looks like. We made nothing, just an app layout. Okay, not this. Just wait some time. You can see the build here. Build is in progress, and while installing, you can see here the app is installing. So the build is done, and let's wait for the app to be installed. Gradle build is not completed yet. You can see here that Gradle build is running. So let's wait until the Gradle build finishes. So it's running. The Gradle will take some time, many time, some not some. You have to wait until the Gradle build finished. So anyone has any doubt till now? Then if yes, you can tell me.
So, I have a question.
Yeah,
So, in the tasks which you have given in the second track,
yeah.
what is the name of the second track? First track is
New to
I
programming.
know, new to programming. The
And
second one,
second one, prior programming experience. Second track is. So this is the,
that also has 2 units.
yeah, unit 1 and unit 2.
Okay, sir.
So this is the app layout which we have made. There is nothing special, just we made it. So let's close this. And now we need to change something in this, like put this here. Okay. There are some text and buttons like image button, chip group, chip checkbox. You just know the what is a checkbox, radio group. You can use these things here, but we will not use. And here is the widget view, image view, and surface view. There are many views. You can check it out. Uh, and this is the layouts, constant layout, linear layout. Like if you see here, you can see that this is in constant layout. Okay, so you just if you just like do some codes here, then you also put things. If you just code the text view part, the text view will appear in the screen. Okay, like if I delete this from here, the view is gone, and just we can pull it back. And let's constant this. Okay, this is misplaced because I just put this to the text view, not to the uh, top of the screen. So let's okay, let's fix it to the top of the screen and right here. So we remove the text view and put Android study camp. Okay. Oh, sorry, the size. So so this is the process. How can we pull a image and text view and a button? Okay, so if we need to just pull this image view to the background of this app, then what should we do? Then just we have to code this here. Just press enter and click type background. Android background is the code to change the background of everything. Like if you put it in the button, then the button background will change, and if you put it in the text view, then text view background will change. Okay. If you want to put some image on the background, then just you type the code Android colon background equal to in inverted comma drawable, and I have imported the Android image. So this, and by this, here is the text view and here is the button view. Wait, I need to change the color of this background. sorry. Okay, now you can see the text is here, and this is set to the background. You can't change it or remove it. Just if you want to remove this, just put the code back. Okay, so this is the process how we can import an text view and image view. So let's make a app. Okay, I am just create a new project, and this is the process how we make a new project. Let's give some app like basic Android app. Okay, let's finish this. So just cut it back, and okay, this is the new screen, and we need to run the Gradle build first, and the Gradle is running. So we need to wait until the Gradle build finish, and we can see the diagram here, the layout part of this activity. Till then we have to wait. Okay, it is initialized. So here is the code part where we start our code, and just we need to call some functions here. Okay, in the race layout, in the layout part, here is the activity main.xml. If you close these tabs by chance, just open it from here by double clicking on it, and you will see the main activity part in Java and com.example. Your app name. So let's start. Okay, just okay. So okay, I uh, tell you about the login portion, like how to draw the login portion of an app. Okay, so for that, just we need to change the text view to the edit text. Okay, this is the edit text function. Okay, this is the edit text function. You can see in the Android text is written, that's why this is showing on the tab. But if we just remove this and put hint, Android colon hint, then you can write like type your name here. So you can see that the text is lighter than the original one, and you can just type here. Okay, like, so if you just put it here and like give a button, like, okay, we design the button from here. Sorry. I don't know why the button is colored. I never seen this type of button before. Okay, so here is the button. We just name the button to nothing because we don't code anything for this time, but we will code later. So just run this. Okay. This is the AVD manager. Sorry, this is the AVD manager, and this is my virtual device. I just select Nexus 5 API 30. So my code will run on that device.
So, sir, in this we have to do all the things in XML only, not in any activity. Yes, sir.
Yes, we just draw the layout in XML, and then we have to call the functions in main activity part. and all the, if you want to like make a gradient or something, you just need to create a drawable in XML format. I will show that also. Just wait. After this we will show. So this is the app. Okay. And this time we can type here like something. You can type anything. Okay. You can also type from here and cut from here, and our button will not respond because I did nothing for responding of the button. So just okay. This is the edit text. Okay. And if you want to like put something to like type your address, just put three parts. Okay. I'm showing it. Sorry. Uh, just copy this edit text part and put this here. And this is showing some error because every view has its own ID. Like here is the ID edit text, and here is also a ID edit text. So we need to put a different ID because everyone should have his unique ID. Okay. So let's put it edit text too. Now it's not showing any error. So how I understand that it is showing error because the portion getting red. Okay. If you got an error, you will see that here. I mean, where the error is, you can see there that red line will be appear. Okay. So there is two edit text and in the same name. So I am changing this to type your address here. So this is showing that you type your address here and just pulling the button below, and let's copy this and name the ID edit text 3 and pull it, drag it down. Just type here type your phone number here. Okay. And let's run this. Just wait. This is the previous app. So just wait. It will install it, reinstall it. Okay, so I think this is installed. So you can type like name something ABC and type your address DEF, and then you can type here your phone number 100. Just do nothing. So okay, so now we'll make a gradient background. Okay, so for this we need to create a drawable. Just click on the drawable and right click on it and then new and drawable resource file. Okay, and name this like we want to make it gradient. Okay, gradient, and we want to make the button round. So gradient and round. Okay, I am showing this together. Okay, we cannot use G. So like, what we can use? Normal gradient. Okay, let's create. So here is the part. This is by default. This comes by default, and just we need to put our code here. So for gradient and round button, for round button we need to just make an XML file round in round shape and then put it to the background of the button or text view. So for this we need to type the code here. Let's type the code. And in the item section we need to put shape is Android shape. Android shape equal to for rounded button, just sorry, for rounded button we just need to put it in oval. Okay, and then what is the error part here? Oh, okay, sorry. So now we could do just Android color. We need to just give a color. So okay, just give a color code like 093. I got this color code from internet. That's why I typed it, and then I need to fix its width to like 5 dp. Okay, and then put it a close. Then just we need to this is an oval shape, and just we need to put some gradient color in this. So we will code that gradient, and then Android. We just start color and give a gradient color code which just I collected from internet. I am just putting that color. You can find many color in the internet if you check out. Just I am this. Okay, then center color for the center. So center color we need to just B6. Just put this, and we need to put a end color. Just put a end color like 4. So this will be the gradient color. You can see the color. Oh, sorry. Okay. So you can change this from like I want red to this, and I want yellow. So this, and in center I want what I can want blue. No, this is not cool. Okay, this, and then just we need to put some angle of the gradient, the color combination angle. So this angle should 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, and just put a close. Okay, so just make it round. Just we need to give some width, added width to it. So width we need to give it 350. Is it wait, just let me check. 350 degree. Okay. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so just put a close here. Wait. Okay, so this is the round button we made, and let's put it in the button section. I don't know why the button color is not changing, but it might change. Sorry, background. Just drawable again round. I don't know why it's not changing the color, but it should change. Anyone is doing this in Android Studio? Are you facing the same problem of not color changing? Okay, just put it in background. Let's see what happened. Now this is changing, but why this color is not changing? I don't know what's wrong with this button. Let's run it and let's check. I think there is some bug in Android Studio. Is there anyone who is doing this work in Android Studio or something? If anyone is there, please response. Who is working on Android Studio now? Okay, Surya Poddar. Okay, are you facing the same problem like me?
Yes, yes, it's not changing the color.
Okay, then I think there is something bug in the Android Studio.
Yeah,
What is this? Okay, this is not installed yet. I should clear this. Okay, let it install. It's installing. So it is taking some time to in getting installed. Okay, so wait. The build is complete and it takes so much time to get installed. Should I run it again? Okay, let's run this app again. Launching the app. Don't launch the app twice. I'm pretty happy with single time. The Gradle is building so fast, but it's not installing. Okay, finally it's okay. It's not changing yet, but yeah, it's in round shape. Okay, fine, whatever. Just stopping the installation. Okay, so just we what? Okay, let's see how the intent works. Okay, so for that we just need to create a new. Just wait for some time. So for that we need to make a new activity. And the new activity name will be second activity. Let's finish. The build will run again, and after the build has completed, then we can go in this tab. Second activity. Okay, this is activity. Okay, so what can we? Okay, let's put a tail view here. You can just put the code of the constant the view, and you can also do it from here, like parent, and make all the stuff parent, then it will automatically constanted. And let's give you a welcome message. Welcome, make the site large. TDP, no, TDP. I can make this more large. Oh, sorry. Alignment. We can change the and then the color. So this is okay. Let's make it more large. TP. This is fine enough. 6 and not 600. Just make it 60. Okay. And then just we need to call the button to do the same work. Just change the intent. Okay. For that we just need to type a simple code here. We need to set the value of the button to button equal to find. Okay, this is the function to find anything by its ID. So just calling the button function. There is no button function. Yeah, there is button function. Okay, whatever. What is the ID of the button? Oh, it's button only. Okay, then just dot set on click listener. The on click listener is a function by which we can just click on a button and fix it up to respond on when it was getting clicked. Now it's fine. Then just we need to put the value of the intent. And equal to intent. In this you need to mention from where and from to where you want to go. Okay, for from here. So I am typing this and then just put a comma. Then where you want to go? I want to go to the second activity. So second. And then just you need to mention the class. Sorry. And then what is the error here? Hmm. What is the error here? None of the following can be fault with the arguments applied. I think it should find. What is the error? Hmm. What is wrong here? Create function intent. So I have created it. I don't know why this is happening, but this should not happen. Everything is perfect. I don't know where the mistake is going on. Let's run this. What is the error here? After declaring the class, it's not working. Oh, sorry, I am giving here a colon. Sorry, my bad. Okay, okay, this time it will run. I am just mistaken here. Like this is the dot, and I was giving the colon. Okay, I think this will run. Okay, Okay, now here you can see, just type something and do click on do nothing and the welcome screen appears. This will take you to the second activity. So this is the code. This is the code for the second activity. Okay. So just now, for now, just we make a simple app. Just wait. Okay, so for this we just need nothing of this. Let's clear them all. And put the second activity, and sorry, need the main activity but not this. Okay, so let's make a app, complete app. Okay, so let's design. I don't know the button, how to show the button color changing. Let's try. So we just put a button here. Okay, let's change the button name. Sorry, first here we put it the here the role, and in the button section we just put the name to role button, and then okay, and next we need a seek bar from widget. This is the seek bar. Okay, let's make it constraint. So just okay, let's fix it just by code. Okay, let's fix it to more large. Okay, and add some style in it. Where is the seek bar? Okay, let's type. Compact. So okay, and then just give a layout width. Oh, sorry, there is already. Okay, let's fix it. The width to 0 dp and the height to wrap content. Okay, this is fine. And let's have a divider. But no, we need to make a text view like here. Let's constraint this. Put it here and text view. Uh, okay, I think 10 and then let's set its progress to uh, 5, 15 and 5. Okay, and then we just need to put a divider, horizontal divider like this here. And then just put a text view here. Okay, okay, let's make the text view. Okay, just mm, let's make it 144. Okay, okay, everything is fine. Okay, now let's call the function from here. So for this Okay, just name it to uh, what we just need to call the zipper. Okay. Okay, we put the values. Then we need to just call the function. On click listener, and then we just put to a random value to the Java util. The Java util. And then okay, so our app is ready. Let's launch it. Okay, let's make this. Okay, just put it in the back. Okay, let's run this. So let's run the app and let's see what is the outcome of this app. So the operation is successful, and okay, this is the app, and let's roll between this thing. So you can just like do this, and if you set the sig bar to more, and then the number will roll between that. Okay. So if you do this, then and if you tell that, then the number will be shown like this. Okay, let's run this. Oh, sorry. I just put this in wrong place. Okay, that's why it's not running. Okay, let's run this. This is the okay. Okay, now like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the outcome between 1 to 6. And if you just pull it to more, and the outcome will be more till 15. Okay, and if you just set it to 1 and 2, then just for 1, just if you roll many times, just the outcome will be 1. And if you set it to, then the outcome will be 2 and 1. Okay, so that's it. If anyone has any doubt in any of the part of the code, you can ask me now. Is there anyone who has any doubt on the code section or the app section, how the app is made and how it works? If anyone has, you can ask.
বলছি কোডটা কি পাওয়া যাবে নাকি?
পাওয়া যাবে, আপলোড করে দেবো GitHub. You just check the code on GitHub. Okay. And anyone from rest of the members, if you guys have any doubt, you can ask me, or else that's all for today. So a general reminder, for getting the certificates, you need to make your Google developer profile beta and on all the batches and send me the screenshot of the tracks. After completing all the badges, you will earn 22 badges in your Google developer profile, including some extra badges like this. Wait, I'm showing like this. These are the extra badges. You will not get this badge, but you will get these badges. So that will be total 22 badges for all of the members, and you should make your Google developer profile, and you can share what you have learned with the hashtag Android Study Jams, and earn the batches. And if you want to learn more, then just continue learning with Android with Kotlin and developers.android.com. Like this, you can visit all the websites if you want to know more about this. So, okay, that's all for today. Thanks for joining the session. Okay. If anyone of you have any doubt, you can ask me till now. And if anyone don't RSVP the session yet, you can go to the discussion group, join to our discussion group. You will get the RSVP link there, and just go to the link. Okay. Thank you all for joining this session. Good night.
All right, sir.